was here last night. He said around 10:30ish, everyone was gone. And he has pictures, and there was nobody in the plaza. There was just nobody in line for the ride.
Thank you. Rising moon. Rising moon.
To each station, please. Oh wow, that's a lot of builders.
We're rushing you guys in, but in these times we can't never be too careful. But I'm glad you made it. Welcome to the workshop. Take a look around, and I hope you like what you see. It's a lot of clutter, a lot of junk, and it's a bit dusty, but for us, this is our home. Now, let me introduce ourselves. I have Lito and my fellow gatherer over there, Carlos. My name is also Carlos, and humbly we call ourselves the Gatherers. We as gatherers, we have been in many places of the galaxy, forgotten outposts, and worn-torn planets. And we have found different metals and ancient relics. And everything that we find, we brought it here for you guys. You see, if a stormtrooper were to walk in here, all you see is clutter and a lot of junk. But for us this is everything. We are in troubled times. And perhaps you have heard of the legends of the Jedi. One such as Luke Skywalker. And the new Jedi, anybody know her name?
Right.
Rey, yes, our spark of hope. And she heard a call, and perhaps so did you, and that's why you're here. But you're also here to build this, the lightsaber. The lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is a work of art. It has been held by the greatest of the Jedis and the darkest of the foes. And it is the connection between the builder and its force. It lets the force flow through you. And builders, today you will be able to feel that connection. And it all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of your blade. Throughout our journeys, we have collected some of the crystals. We have 4 for you today. And we'll start with the blue Kyber crystal. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, once held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power, once held by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about history. Today is about you builders and your future. At this time, I will ask for all of you to please close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, close your eyes. What color do you see? Which crystal calls to you? What will be the color of your blade? Builders, please open your eyes.
Orange.
And pick your crystal.
Violet.
Yellow.
Violet.
Orange calls me.
Orange. It's like black called me when I close my eyes. We'll got that.
Salmon color?
Salmon. I'd like a nice touch.
I had orange called me. A blue.
You want to move?
I got the purple with the violet.
All right, Alright builders, I see that all of you have your crystals right now. Please place it in front of you on the green holder. Now this time, my fellow gatherers and I, we are going to be placing the pieces that are required for you to build your hilt. I know they don't make sense at this moment, but together we will go through it. Your hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of control. It will also help for you to keep all of your 10 fingers.
This is cool.
Alright builders, let's explore. In front of you, you have a chassis. And then in boxes number 2, you have your grips or sleeves. Number 3, you will have two sets of emitters. And on number 4, you have 2 sets of pommels. Lastly, you have your activation plates. If at any given time you need our assistance, we will be here to help you. Now builders, are we ready?
Yes!
Great, let's build. Alright builders, I'm going to be assisting you today. So what we're going to be doing is, first things first, if I can have your attention, we're going to be holding our hilts like so. You see this perfect. Now, if you put your thumb in here, you should be able to feel a spring.
Then we're going to take our credit card
Inside your hole. You feel the spring? Okay, so if you push it all the way up, you should be able to slide in your kyber crystal. This is very crucial. You should be able to see a light and it should be singing to you.
Look at that.
Wonderful. Great. Once you have it in place, you should be able to give a good rotation.
Oh wow, look at that.
Great job.
That's so cool.
Great job. We're going to choose. Now we are going to make sure that it's secure, just in case for the rest of the building. So on your chassis, you can hold it like this. You have a red and blue color, right? Okay, so we're going to go to box number 5. On box number 5, we have 2 sets of activation. Choose the one that you like the most right now. Don't worry.
Red with red and blue with blue.
However, we're going to make sure that the red matches red and blue matches blue. Just going to pick one, whichever, doesn't matter, we can choose it later. So, red, you're going to slide it literally on top of red.
Once we have our activation plates secured, we're going to choose 2 grips from any of the 4
Alright, so now that you have them, sorry,
1 and 2.
sleeve, per se. That way you don't pop it out or anything like that. Now, you keep holding it like this, you're going to go back to number 1 and 2. Out of those 4 pieces, choose the one you like the most. This is where your blade is going to be coming out from. So we're going to go from number 1 and 2,
And you're going to want to orient those grips
that is where your blade is going to be coming out from.
towards
You will notice that you have
activation
a
plates.
thicker rim. That thicker rim will go towards the center of your hilt.
On both sides. The thickest string towards your
Once
activation
you have selected the one
plate.
you like, we're going to go
So I wonder, do we get to keep all of these? You keep what you build. Oh, okay.
That?
Other ways.
No, I can't.
Because you're going to fasten your grips to your activation. Try and grip it.
I don't want to be
I'm waiting for like 30 minutes on me.
She's gonna pee her pants right now.
Okay, so you're gonna have this and I'll be able to come out after and I'll help you finish it.
Okay, so go ahead and flip it over. And now you're going to repeat on the other hand. Now this is where your hand is going to go. So choose one that is comfortable for your hand.
Once your grips are secure, you can choose both your emitter and your end cap. Your emitter will be where your blade comes from, and your end cap will secure your power cell.
Doing better than Daddy over there, buddy.
How are we doing over here? Need some help?
Oh no, I'm just deciding.
Too many choices.
I know there are a lot of choices. There are a total of about 300 combinations.
That's crazy.
Just go ahead. There you go, you're all done. Yes, you did. Now you're gonna
Wonderfully done. May I?
Yes.
Excellent craftsmanship here, sir. Have you done this before?
I have not, but I've been training my whole life for it.
Wonderful. I'm gonna keep that right there. The Kyber crystal is not stable yet, so we're gonna keep it deactivated for good. Just gonna fasten the grips You're not an alien?
You're not an alien.
I'm really not an alien. Young lady, I was just very nice to see you. On your planet.
Touch the bond with our sabers, but first, we're going to go through the most dangerous part of our journey. So please take a giant step back. Everybody, a big step back. This is very, very dangerous.
Laser is here.
My fellow gatherers right now are placing your hilt into the crystal stabilization chambers. This requires a very steady hand. Right, little?
Please don't make fun of me right now.
I'm not. I'm just saying that it requires a very steady hand. Like Carlos says, perhaps. Or maybe not. You see all the holes in the ceiling? You make too much sound. There's always room for one.
It's all Savi.
Alright, builders. I think it's almost time now.
Many parts of the world now join the art. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Wow! Master Yoda, the Force must be strong with you builders. And yes, it is almost time. In a moment, I'll ask all of you to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and together we will activate. But only in a moment, not yet. Alright builders, I think we're ready. Step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and wait. Activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny, you seek. Your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda, and thank you, builders, for allowing us to be part of your journey. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, for your new saber's protection, we are pleased to present to you with a saber sheath as you depart. Builders, unfortunately, our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is your time to leave your mark in the galaxy. Perhaps one day, I'll be here telling your stories. For now, till the spire.
This is the